Have you ever wondered who's behind those apps that you use every day on your smartphone? These digital magicians, hidden in the shadows of codes and algorithms, are the architects of your digital convenience. They live in a world where creativity meets logic, where innovation is the norm, and where the digital age is more than just a catchphrase. It's a world that might seem complex, but it's incredibly fascinating. Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to the hidden world of mobile app development. So, what exactly does a mobile app developer do? Well, they're the masterminds behind the apps you use every day. Their role is a fascinating blend of creativity and technical prowess. They design, build, and maintain mobile applications that keep us connected, entertained, and productive. Their responsibilities are vast and varied. They might be sketching out an app's interface one day, then diving deep into code the next. They need to ensure that the application works seamlessly, testing its functionality across different devices and operating systems. But it's not just a solo endeavor. They work in cross-functional teams, collaborating with graphic designers, data analysts, and other tech professionals to bring an app to life. They need to communicate effectively, translating complex technical concepts into language that everyone on the team can understand. In essence, they are the architects of your digital experiences. They shape the way we interact with the world, one app at a time. What does it take to become a mobile app developer? Well, let's dive into that. At the heart of the role, you'll need a strong proficiency in coding. Languages such as Java, Swift, or Kotlin will be your bread and butter. But it's not just about knowing the languages, it's about understanding the software development process as a whole. Yet, coding is just one piece of the puzzle. Problem-solving skills are critical. You will often encounter bugs or issues that require innovative solutions, and in those moments, creativity becomes your greatest ally. Experience matters too. Having a portfolio of past projects can certainly give you an edge. But remember, every great developer started somewhere. So don't be discouraged if you're just starting out. Finally, a keen eye for design is a huge plus. After all, you're not just building an app, you're crafting an experience for the user. So it's not just about coding, it's about creating a seamless user experience. Every job has its ups and downs, and mobile app development is no exception. Picture this: you're on a tight deadline, the clock is ticking, and you're racing against time to fix a bug or implement a feature. It can be intense. And let's not forget the ever-evolving world of technology. Just when you think you've mastered a tool or language, a new one pops up and you're back at square one. Keeping up can sometimes feel like you're running on a treadmill that's always accelerating. High user expectations, they're part and parcel of the job. Creating a seamless, intuitive, and engaging user experience is no easy feat. But for every challenge, there's a reward: the satisfaction of solving a complex problem, of seeing your app go live, of knowing that your work is impacting lives. It's exhilarating. The field is in high demand too, and with that comes a competitive salary. Yes, it's challenging. But the rewards, they're worth it. Where can a career in mobile app development take you? Well, it's a journey of endless possibilities. As technology evolves, so do the opportunities. You may start as a junior developer, but with dedication and continuous learning, you could progress to a senior developer position, overseeing projects and leading teams. But that's not all. The beauty of this field is that it's not linear. It allows you to branch out into other exciting roles. You could find yourself delving into the intricate world of UX/UI design, shaping the user experience, and bringing the visual elements of an app to life. Or perhaps project management is your calling, where you'll orchestrate the development process from concept to launch. And let's not forget the potential for entrepreneurship. With the right idea and execution, you could create an app that revolutionizes the way we live or work. In the world of mobile app development, the sky is truly the limit. Ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of mobile app development? It's time to take that first step. Start by learning how to code, experimenting with app development, and keeping your curiosity piqued for new technologies. Remember, every great developer started somewhere, and it's your passion and dedication that will set you apart. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other content to continue your learning journey. Your future as a mobile app developer starts now.